Once again, I do hope that you will like this video and you will spread it, subscribe it, share it, and comment whatever you find in this video. And we do hope that you will like this video and you will enjoy these natural scenes and sceneries. And I know you will appreciate my channel. You will promote my channel, BK Teacher Classes. Please approve it. And I do hope that you will enjoy this natural beauty. And you know that this natural beauty is very important. Without nature, we cannot survive on this earth. Yesterday I have posted on Facebook page also. So I want to create awareness among our coming generation. I want to create awareness among our coming generation that nature is very important thing. We have to protect it, we have to preserve it. We have to increase more and more oxygen in our environment, so that lacking of oxygen is a dangerous problem. And no doctors, no hospitals, no experts will save your life. If you have no oxygen, you can't breathe yourself properly. To make your lungs purer, to make your lungs functioning, you have to breathe pure air. And to breathe pure air, we have to plant more and more trees and plants. To plant more and more trees and plants, we have to be cautious. At present, those illiterate, those uneducated people who don't know the importance of trees and plants, they are used to cut the plants whenever they need. This is not good measure to save our nation, to save our environment, to increase more and more oxygen. To increase more and more oxygen, we have to plant more and more trees and plants. Not only planting more and more trees and plants, we have to nurture it. We have to take care of it. We have to save our plants from animals. We have to save our plants from other storms or other things which can disturb the progress of plants. I do hope that you will enjoy it, you will like it, and you will create yourself a special kind of creativity among yourself. In this way, not you can save your environment, you can save yourself also, you can save humanity also. And I know it is not easy work to do. People need houses to live in, people need fields to grow crops, people need roads, people need bridges, people need factories. Despite all these things, we have to take care of our plants, we have to take care of our trees, we have to take care of our gardens, so that we can save our nature, we can save our India, we can save our motherland. You know, in 2050, it is announced by Sudhir Chaudhary, G News, announced that near about 2050, Mumbai, Chennai, Panaji, and towns and cities situated near seashore will be submerged. 3 or 4 feet water will be assembled, will be collected in Mumbai city and in Chennai and other towns and cities which are situated near seashore. I do hope that you will like it, you will create awareness among yourself, so that you will save this nature. You not only to save this nature, We have to create awareness among the people. People must create creativity. People must aware about the fact that this environment needs more and more trees, more and more plants. In some places like Delhi, Pune, Chennai, only there is no free land, and some people start spotted plants growing on their roofs. This is good idea, my dear. If you have no places, if you have no lands to plant the trees, why don't you purchase some spots, some flower pots, and in this way you can plant 100 to 500 plants on your roofs also. In this way you can generate more and more oxygen, gentlemen. Why don't you plant 100, 200, 300, 400, 500 plants on your roofs? And I do hope that you will enjoy it, and you will have fresh and seasonal fruits also. You will have fresh and seasonal vegetables, and in this way you can help your environment to become more and more purer. Thank you very much. Here you are on national highways, and these national highways, when there was no highways, I think crores of plants were well planted both sides of these highways. When this highway has been constructed, all plants, all trees, sesame plants and other more well developed plants have been cut to make this national highway, and we have lost so many plants. In our area, Mr. Vijay Kumar Mishra, ex-Nagar President, Chairman of our area, he has done a marvelous, unique, matchless and fearless job, and he has planted so many trees in our area, and the government is also pleased with him. He has got more than thousands of sesame trees, more than thousands of mango and other trees in his garden, and he has such type of heart himself, and such people should be appreciated. Such people's idea should be adorable, praisable, and such motivational idea should be adopted by the people. Thank you very much. Have a nice day to all of you.